Good afternoon. Thurnham. I am Jarvis. Please tell me how may I help you?
Kareena Kapoor from Wikipedia.
Searching Wikipedia. Thurnham according to Wikipedia. Kareena Kapoor, pronounced Kareena Kapoor, born September 21st, 1980, is an Indian actress who appears in Hindi films. She is the daughter of actors Ranbir Kapoor and Babita, and the younger sister of actress Karisma Kapoor.
Jarvis, open YouTube. Jarvis, open Google. Jarvis, open my website. Jarvis, play my favorite music.
कच्ची डोरियां
Jarvis, what's the time?
Thurnham, the time is 12 hours 44 minutes and 24 seconds.
Jarvis, open code. Jarvis, send email to me.
Thurnham, what should I say?
I'm having a birthday party next Friday at my home.
Email has been sent.
Jarvis, open Gmail.